Hello everyone. I am a digital voice model of Dr. Syed Irfan Ali. In this presentation, we will learn about hashing, which is an important topic in data structures. Hashing helps us to store and retrieve data very fast. Let us understand the basic idea step by step. Hashing is a technique used to store data in a table. Here, each data item has a key. Using a special function called a hash function, the key is converted into an index. This index tells us exactly where the data is stored. So, hashing helps us to access data quickly. Hashing is very important in data structures. It avoids slow searching methods like linear search or tree search. Hashing is very useful when we work with large amounts of data. It is mainly used when we need fast search, insertion, and deletion operations. Hashing provides direct access to data using keys. This means we do not have to search one by one. It reduces search time a lot. Hashing also works well when data keeps changing. Many systems like databases and compilers use hashing. Without hashing, searching is slow. In linear search, we may have to check all elements, which takes O(n) time. In tree-based searching, time complexity is O log n. These methods need multiple comparisons to find data. With hashing, data access becomes very fast. Search operation takes O(1) time on average. Insertion also takes O(1) time. Deletion also takes O(1) time. So, hashing is much faster compared to other methods. In hashing, the hash function directly calculates the memory location. Because of this, usually only one memory access is needed. When collisions are less, performance becomes very good. That is why hashing is highly efficient. A hash function is a mathematical function. It converts a given key into a fixed size integer value. This value is called a hash value. The hash value is used as an index in the hash table. Using this index, data can be stored and retrieved easily. Let us understand hashing with an example. Assume the size of the hash table is 10. The hash function is h of k equals k mod 10. Now let the key be 37. We apply the hash function. 37 mod 10 gives 7. So, the key 37 is stored at index 7. This shows how hashing provides direct access to data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with new content. Your support means a lot. Thanks again.